All of you, good morning. How are you, students? Okay. Are you fine? So, you have to listen very carefully. So, first of all, that you have to sit straight and listen. Okay. And you have to take textbook also. What? Textbook. Okay, all of you take textbook. All of you. Yes. Then we can start our new lesson. Okay. So all of you take. Okay, you have to listen very carefully. So you have to sit very straight and you have to take a rough book. Okay, rough book and a pen. Okay, pen. So whatever I am teaching, that you have to write. Okay, that you have to point, that point you have to write. So and you have to listen the class at a place where noise is free. Okay, where noise is free. So all of you listen. So we can start our first chapter. Okay, chapter 1. Okay, so second chapter we finished. So we have to write some notes in that lesson. So I will send the notes today. Okay. So and exercise questions are there. So I will send the notes today. Okay. So all of you listen. Okay, all of you take a book. Okay, and your first lesson, we are studying our first lesson, first chapter. So all of you take first chapter. What's the name of first chapter? What's the name of first chapter? What? Plants life. Okay, plant life. Okay, you know very well. Do you know very well about plant? What do you mean by what are plants? That you know very well. Okay, plants. Okay, plants means what? So many trees. Okay, so many plants that we are seeing around us. Okay, lot of plants are there. Okay, especially in our places, lot of plants are there. Lot of plants, a lot of trees. Okay, some plants give us what? Fruits. Okay, some plants give us what? Food, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so there are different type of plants, and they are some plants are giving us what? Fruits. Some plants we are some plants are giving what? Food, any food. Okay, so what? Different type of plants. Some plants do not give any food, but some plants are very helpful to us. Okay, so different type of plants that we can see around us. Okay, some plants will have what? Beautiful flowers, isn't it? Beautiful flowers in different colors. Okay, in our garden. Do we have garden in our house? Okay, before in front of your house, some houses that in front of houses there will be beautiful garden. Do you have garden? Do you have garden? So if you don't have garden, visit a garden and and find different type of and see what different type of flowers and different type of plants. Okay, different beautiful flowers will be there. Rose, okay, rose flower, and so many flowers that we can see in our garden or in the garden, any other garden. Okay, so we are studying today about the plants. Okay, plants. So plant life. Okay, life. Life means that plants are living things. Living things. All living things will have what? Life. Life means what? They are growing. Isn't it? So we can say that they have what? Lives, or they have life. Understand? They are growing, branches are growing, and their they are height is increasing, and so we if we are these are the what signals or symptoms. Okay, these are the what signs that plants, that we can say that plants have what? Plants have a life. Okay, they are growing, isn't it? Okay, if we are planting a small plant, okay, and you are giving water each day. Okay, after some days, the plants that you are planted will grow up. So we can say what? Plant has, or plants have what? Life. Okay, so plants are living things. Animals are also living things. We people are animals. Examples of animals. We are developing, we are growing, our intelligence, our intelligence is growing, and every organ is growing, isn't it? So we people are animal, also have what? Life. Like that, plants also have what? Life. So in this chapter we can study that plant life. Okay. Yes, listen, we are going to study the new chapter. So all of you take care. Okay, all of you take care. All of you listen very carefully. So yes, the process by which a living thing produces more of its kind is called reproduction. The process, that is an action. Process means what? An action, a doing. Okay, anything doing. This process is an action. Okay, by which a living thing, okay, by this action a living things what? Produces means what? Make. Okay, forms. Okay, a living things, that is plant, okay, or animal. A living thing produces, that is forms, or what? Makes more. Okay, more. Okay, more type of that. Yes, that we will study. Okay, some plants are making more of its kinds. What is my of its kinds? Of its kinds means like that of plants. New plants are formed from a parent plant. New plants are formed. How the new plants are formed, that we will study. Okay, from parent plant, new what? Small plants are forming, or making, or are made. New plants are made from a parent plant. This process, this action is called what? Reproduction. What reproduction means? Production means that what? Produce, or production means making. Okay, making or forming, or formation. Understand? Formation. Means reproduction, again reproducing. A plant is produced, okay, and grow up, and this plant will make another plant. So this is called reproduction. Again it is producing. This is called what? Reproduction. So what do you mean by reproduction? The process or action by which a living thing, okay, living thing, whether it is plants or animals, living thing produces, makes more of its kind. Of its kind means that is same type of plants, okay, same type of animals, okay, same type of animals. That suppose that a goat, when it is giving birth, new baby, okay, kids, okay, new babies are formed. New babies are formed. The new babies will be like that of the parent goat. The parent goat. That means of its kind. Of its kind means that the baby will look like that of parents. Okay, that means that of its kind, same type. Of its kind means what? Same type. So same type of animals, same type of plants are formed by an action, by a process. And this action and this process is called what? Reproduction. So reproduction is an action of any action by which same type of small ones, young ones are formed. Young ones, same type of new babies, new plants are formed. And this action is called what? This action is called that reproduction. This is an important thing. Okay, in the case of living things, reproduction. What will happen if there is no reproduction? New babies, new plants will not be formed. Understand? If there is no reproduction, what will happen? The new babies, new plants and new kids will not be formed. Understand? So reproduction is an important thing. Just like all other living things, plants also reproduce. Plants also produce more of their own kind. Plant also produces same type of the parent plant. One parent plant. Okay, if we are eating that, then in rainy season we are eating jackfruit. Jackfruit will have what? So many seeds, isn't it? So many seeds. And when these seeds are what we are keeping under soil, what will happen? New plants will be formed, and this new plant will be like that of the parent jackfruit tree. Okay, if you are keeping the seed that are obtained from jackfruit, the seed, what will happen? The seed, after some days, the new plants will be formed. New plants of jackfruit. These new plants will be look like that of parent jackfruit tree. Understand? So like that of animal, plants are also producing same kind of what? Plants as that of parent plants. Understand? Parent plants. Okay. Plants reproduce mostly through seeds. Okay, they are producing young ones, new plants through what? Seeds. Seed. Okay, some plants reproduce through other parts of the body such as stem, leaves, roots. Stem, leaves, roots. Are you familiar with what? Pineapple? Okay, in the case of pineapple, new babies, new plants are formed. New plants are formed from stem, isn't it? New plants are formed from the stem. Under the pineapple fruit, okay, under the pineapple there will be what? Small plant, small pineapple tree or pineapple plant. Did you see? Yes. So some plants are producing new babies, new plants through seeds. Some plants are formed what? Through stems. Through stems. Some plants are formed through leaves. Okay, some plants are formed through leaves. Okay, leaves. So when we are keeping our some type of leaves, that new ones, new what plant will be formed on the leaves. Okay, through the leaves. When we are keeping some leaves, some type of leaves, new plants are formed. New plants are formed from these leaves. These type of plants are there. Understand? Plants are formed from leaves also. Understand? Plants are formed from leaves also. It's very strange, isn't it? So plants are formed from stem also. Plants are formed from what? Seeds also. Plants are formed from trees also. Sorry, what? Leaves also. Okay, it's very strange. Okay, it's very wonderful. So, and some plants are formed from leaves and roots. Leaves and roots. Okay, what? Some plants like that of what? In the case of roots are producing some. Yes, somebody edible what? Edible fruits. Okay, edible vegetable that are also producing from roots. So so many plants are there. They are producing from stem. So so many plants are what? Producing from what? Leaves, produced through leaves. Some plants are formed through stem, leaves, and some plants are formed through seeds also. So many plants are there. So many plants are different type of plants are there. So in this chapter we are discussing about different type of plants, how they reproduce, and what and also we are studying about what? Their lifestyle, or how do they live? How do they live? So next class we can discuss about different parts of the plants, how they reproduce. Okay.